Well, it's a funny. I was on the phone with a friend of mine right before I got here, and I was telling him I'm coming to a place called Smoke a Little Smoke. And he said, "Oh, is that legal in North Carolina?" And I said, "No, it's not what you're thinking. It's barbecue."
Barbecue, that's right. It is barbecue.
Hell on this Harley Davidson ride so free. Mike on his Indian chasing destiny.
Hey, it's your between Foodies. I'm Dael.
I'm Mike.
And we are here. Mike, where are we here?
We're at Smoke a Little Smoke.
Smoke a Little Smoke, located in Marion, North Carolina. And I'm telling you what, Marion, North Carolina is blessed to have a great barbecue place. And as you see in the picture, well, here is the barbecue plate. Check out that. Oh, check out that.
It's a brisket plate.
Brisket,
right?
yeah, I've got brisket with hush puppies. Now, what I like about their baked beans are, now they are vegetarian baked beans, so being allergic to pork, I can actually have baked beans. And slaw. And yeah, so and then Mike, what you got, man? You got something interesting over here.
I got what's called the loaded. Okay, the loaded, you have a choice of your base, which could be mac and cheese, it could be a potato, it could be nachos. Then you can have your choice of meat, which in my case I did pulled pork, but they do pulled chicken, and they do I believe bologna and sausage. And then I had like everything thrown on top. The sour cream, the cheese, the cowboy candy, onions, bacon bits. I had it all. I mean,
it's fully loaded. So all right, so I'm gonna take this lid off of these baked beans right here and the slaw, and yeah, okay, all right, so yeah, I'll tell you what, this looks good. Now I'm gonna have a bite with this, Mike, before. Oh my goodness, look how tender that is. That is just so
no knife needed there.
all apart tender. Check that out. So I'm getting used to where the green light is. That's where I got to look at. I'm used to looking at the red over here. But check that out, man. That is, we'll check out that smoke ring right there. Oh my goodness. Great flavor. I'm telling you, smoke. The flavor in that, you cannot go wrong. Mike, what you got there, bud?
All right, I'm gonna dig into my loaded, get a little potato and pork and cheese and a little bit of sour cream. The pork is moist, good smoke flavor to it. Yep, very good.
Yeah, like I said, no, these baked, but no, you didn't get the baked beans.
No,
did you?
mine's loaded. Mine's one. No,
You already got the
extra
loaded everything
containers
on it,
yet.
so
Yeah, the blueberry sauce is sweet, almost kind of like a jelly or jam, with a little bit of barbecue flavor to it. It's really good. Good combination.
now when it comes to barbecue sauces, everybody talks about their Eastern style barbecue, the Western style barbecue, Texas style barbecue, North Carolina style barbecue. It's always North Carolina in there somewhere. But I like a mixture of it all. I like the vinegar based with the Eastern, a little bit of sweet with the Western, and with a little bit of heat into it. And this does have a mixture with a little bit of the blueberry and the mustard, and then the sweet, and then yeah. So, and it is actually, and I'm just gonna dip it in here. And those flavors that you get with this mixture that I have, you do get a hint of each one of those flavors of the barbecue sauce. Great lunch.
I just got a hint of that cowboy candy. Ooh, yeah, you're right. It's got a little bit of zing to it. Some jalapeno in there. Cream cheese. Yeah, nice. Use that sparingly if you don't like it.
Again, where we at, Mike?
Smoke a little smoke.
Smoke a little smoke in
Marion, North Carolina.
Marion, North Carolina, and Mike, so we're got as our shirt on, riding the Bigfoot.
Ride the Bigfoot.
Around the trail of Bigfoot, so hoorah. So yeah, and smoke a little smoke. They do have a veterans discount, so you veterans come on down here and grab your great food and get your discount, and hours of operation. Wednesday through Monday.
Including Sunday.
Including Sunday, so they're closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So come on down. If you need an excuse for a barbecue, you ain't got one no more.
You'll be hungry after riding the trail of the Bigfoot.
Be hungry after riding the trail of the Bigfoot.
You will not be disappointed.
Will not. So, all right. So, remember, give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Give a man a motorcycle, he'll eat that fish 200 miles away. We're out of here. Love, peace, and chicken grease. You got it.
Seize the hidden gems with bold ambition, tasting stories in every bite, and filling up on more than just the sights. From diners to dogs, they're on a mission. See the hidden gems with bold